In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update or add an email signature in Freshdesk. Whether you're an agent looking to personalize your own communications or an admin managing your team's signatures, I'll guide you through each step to ensure your emails reflect the professionalism and clarity you desire. Let's start with the steps for agents who want to customize their personal email signatures. First, you'll want to log in to your Freshdesk account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your avatar here. Click on it and select Profile Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open your profile details. Within your profile settings, locate the Signature field. Here, you have the freedom to craft or modify your signature. Freshdesk provides a rich text editor, meaning you can play around with different text formats, perhaps bold or italicize your name, or adjust the font size and color to suit your preferences. Moreover, if you have a company logo or images you'd like to include, you can easily add those via URL links. After you're satisfied with how your signature looks, hit the Save button. Now, every time you respond to a ticket, your personalized signature will automatically be included, giving each email a polished finish. Next, let's shift gears and discuss the process for admin-level users. If you're responsible for managing email signatures across your organization, there are two primary methods you can follow: adding a signature while configuring agents and setting a global signature through email templates. To include a signature while creating or editing an agent, head over to the Admin section found on your dashboard. From there, click on Agents. When you create a new agent profile or edit an existing one, you'll notice a Preferences area. Here, there's a dedicated field for the signature. Enter the default signature content you'd like the agent to use. This can ensure consistency in branding and messaging across all communications. For a more overarching approach, you might consider adding a global signature using email templates. Start by navigating to Admin, then proceed to Workflows, and select Email Notifications. Once there, switch to the Templates tab, find the Agent Reply template, and click Edit. In this section, you're able to add a comprehensive signature that could include a company logo, a legal footer, or any other standardized content you deem necessary for all outgoing agent emails. Freshdesk supports HTML editing here, offering a more tailored design if that's something you wish to incorporate. After making your adjustments, be sure to save your changes. Doing so will ensure that this global signature is automatically appended to all replies from your agents, maintaining a consistent and professional image for your team. Follow these steps, and you'll be all set with updated signatures in Freshdesk tailored to your needs, whether personal or organizational. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.